What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O. Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. I refer to myself as the original student of the game of internet marketing because I'm always in this place where I'm ready, willing, capable, and able of learning some things I never knew, and I'm always implementing them and sharing them with you guys. Guys, welcome. I'm glad you guys opted in. Thanks so very much. And so in today's video, what we're going to be talking about, guys, we're going to be talking about how to make money online, okay? How to start making money online working from home. But what we're going to do in this video, guys, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to be talking about how to make money from home working online, but we're going to be talking about it in a different perspective, right? I'm putting a twist on this because I want you guys, I think by using the problem solving analogy, it's going to help you put your making money online endeavors into a little bit more perspective, okay? I did a video the other day, guys. I should have done the research by now. I don't know what I said. I said that someone quoted, and I don't know who quoted it. I could do the research. I can find out. I don't know why I haven't looked it up yet. I think it was Zig Ziglar who said it. If you can show enough people in life how to get what they want in life, then you can get what you want in life, guys. You guys agree with me, right? If you can show enough people how to get what it is they want in life, then obviously, ultimately, you can get what it is you want in life, no matter what that particular thing may be, okay? Thus, this is why I talk about being in the problem solving industry, guys, and why you want to really pay close attention to this video, because after you've gone through the videos in this series, it doesn't matter what you want to market and promote, guys. As long as you can go out and learn how to solve problems, you can have what it is you want in life. In this particular instance, guys, although there are literally ways that you can, thousands of ways that you can make money online, I'm talking about the money making niche, the work from home niche, the start your own business niche. Okay, that's the niche I'm going to be talking about. That's the problem, right, that we're going to be solving, right? This is the problem that you're going to learn how to start solving so that you can speak your own success into existence. Again, there are many niches you can get involved in, particularly the wealth, health, and relationships. Those are hot niches, okay? So we're talking about wealth. We're talking about, starting your own business. So we're going to stick with that niche in this particular series of videos, because at the end of this series, you're going to understand how you can start your very own profitable problem-solving, money-making business. And if you look down at the bottom, guys, I'm telling you, delivering a product over 200,000 plus brand new people come online for each and every single day, already desperately searching for it, okay? They're already desperately searching for the product. That product being, how do I make money online? How do I start my own business? Oftentimes, guys, you'll go to a place like Google, or you go on YouTube and you start looking for ways to make money online or start your own business. You get caught in the sauce. You know what I'm saying? I did it, and I know you guys probably did it too. And before you know it, you're bouncing all over the place, right? You're going from one opportunity to another, one program to another, one MLM and affiliate offer to another, and you're not having any success, and you're wondering why. And the reason why, guys, in my mind, is because you're not laying that foundation, right? You're not laying that foundation to establish a skill set that you can create that's going to enable you to go out and market and promote anything you want to, okay? So in this series of videos, I don't care what it is you want to promote, even if it's not in the work from home, start your own business, make money online niche. It doesn't matter. That's the niche I'm in. Whatever it is, after you go through this series of videos, you're going to understand how to solve problems, whatever they may be, and how to set up your very own highly profitable problem-solving marketing business, because I'm going to walk you guys through the steps. I'm going to show you how you can set up a problem-solving, money-making marketing system. In fact, at the end of this series, I'm going to hand over to you guys, if you're so inclined, a pretty much already done for you problem solving, marketing, money making business. Okay, you know, you'll have an opportunity to have that right in the palm of your hands, and you'll know exactly how I go out and how I'm able to promote my problem solving marketing funnel. Okay, because that's what this is all, it's all consists of. Okay, so I'm going to show you the three components of your problem solving marketing business, right? And at the end of that, you guys will understand exactly how I do it and how you can do it. Okay, so guys, hold tight, get really super pumped up and excited, and in the next video we're going to go right into the three components of your problem solving marketing business. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next video.